Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 20-70mm f4 G lens. With its constant f4 aperture, superb quality G-glass and ultra-wide angle, the Sony FE 20-70mm takes your standard zoom to a whole new level. Compact in size and weighing in at just 488 grams, it becomes a great choice for hybrid shooters. Construction-wise, it's dust and moisture resistant, a 9-blade circular aperture for some beautiful smooth bokeh, 2 XD linear motors and internal focusing, which offer you fast, precise and quiet autofocus in both stills and video. Suppressed breathing performance at all zoom ranges and supports the breathing compensation function found in compatible Alpha series bodies. And with it being a 20mm, you can maintain a wide angle even when using the active mode image stabilization. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus mode switch, focus hold button, which you can assign your preferred functions to, iris lock, focus ring, zoom ring, aperture control ring, and the option to turn off the click stops if you're after seamless control. I'm currently walking along the Jurassic Coast because I had every intention of coming to shoot a sunrise with this lens, only I'm not sure if you can see. The sun is over here somewhere on the horizon, only it's behind loads of clouds. So I think my hopes of a sunrise may have been dashed. Yeah, that's probably the right way to say it, but I'm almost at my destination, so I will set up shop and see what kind of photos I can capture. Turns out the sun didn't actually rise this morning. It's kind of just dark and now light. There was no sunrise. It's too cloudy, but I have got quite a nice shot set up here, just with the waves kind of crashing by the archway. So I'm gonna do a couple of wide shots just on the 20mm, and actually the 20mm is really wide. And then do some closer upper ones on 70mm just to see kind of the difference. But I'm going for a slow shutter speed, as slow as I can go without an ND filter, because yes, that is the one thing that I did forget to pack this morning. But we'll see what I can do and we'll see how the shots turn out. As far as standard zooms go, I'm actually really impressed with the 20mm on here. I don't know why, but in my mind I wasn't really expecting it to be as wide as it is. And I know that probably sounds like a bit of a weird statement to say, but I predominantly shoot with a 16-35mm. I really love the focal length. I love the wide field of view you can get for your landscapes, and it is literally my favorite lens. So I was quite worried coming out today that I wasn't going to be able to shoot wide enough, but this pleasantly surprising. Another big bonus for me is the fact that normally I'm then having to compromise on zoom. I either have to move my feet more or miss out on certain shots or carry an extra lens with me. And what I found so far today is that 70mm reach is actually a really nice compromise for me. I've got a really nice kind of everyday zoom lens, still with the wide angle for my landscape shots and kind of those scenic architectural shots. Street photography is probably a better way to put that, but in a small, lightweight lens. It's tiny, and it is light. just shooting some video with this lens too, just so you can see what it looks like. And once I've done that, I'm actually going to use this lens for some macro photography. I think it will work really nicely along this part of the coast because we've got some really interesting rocks and seaweed and other bits and bobs that have washed up on the tide. And this lens is actually really good for macro. It's not a macro lens, but it has such a short minimum focus distance that you can get really close to your subjects. You know, I really do think that it's that versatility of this lens which I'm loving the most. Not only have we got that constant f4 aperture, so nice and bright at every focal length, but we have got a range that we can choose from, and it really is suited to pretty much every type of photography. You've got that ultra wide 20mm, which is perfect for those landscape, scenic, street architecture type shots. And then you've got at the other end of the scale your 70mm, which is really good if you just need that little bit of extra reach and all of that kind of everyday stuff that you might want to be shooting. And let's not forget all of the focal lengths in between. You've got to choose from 24mm, 35mm, 50mm, which are all great choices for pets, portraits, family shots and things like that. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 20-70mm f4, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.